Morning. So at least twice a week, we go biking. So today we're gonna try and show you one of those routes. We're gonna go up to the tower in Mayapay, which is which is the main mountain, one of the main mountain here in Butuan City. This used to be a really difficult ride because of the rough roads, but they've cemented parts of it already, so it is easier than before. I've never tried it before, just because I tried other routes and Jimbo would tell me that the tower ride is a lot more difficult, so I knew it was something that I didn't want to do. But when he told me that there are parts that are cemented, I wanted to try it. So today this is gonna be our my third ride to the tower of Mayapay. It's the main mountain, right? It's the main mountain in Butuan. Yes. It's like when you land from the airport and when you go outside, it's the first mountain that you see here in Butuan City. So yeah, we'll capture that today. So we're in the diversion road here in Butuan. This is where we usually start off if we're going to the tower. Behind me is Road Trip Cafe. So yeah, let's get started. So we just finished the first climb to West Highlands, and we're now on our way to Delta and then up to the tower. So, wait, we'll just go to the side because there's a motorbike coming through. But if you can see, so these are the trails going up to the tower. So that's where we came from, if you can see. So it's an uphill climb, cement and gravel. So if you can see this road, Jimbo says that's how it used to be, everything, right? Because now there are parts that are cemented. So they're actually cementing the roads all the way up to the tower. So this used to be the playground of the bikers. Still is. But
renovated by Progress, Mr. Progress.
Yeah, so it's not as difficult as it used to be. It's still difficult, at least for me. It is for him. He doesn't seem to be breaking a sweat. But yeah, so we're gonna do this, and then I'll show you a couple of clips as well later on as we go through the trails all the way to the tower. So this part is overlooking Butuan. It's over here. Makes the climb worth it. So I literally thought of shooting this route this morning as we were taking down the bikes, and I realize now that this is not my brightest idea. I should have brought the GoPro and have it strapped to my chest. But yeah, let's see if we can finish this. So we had to stop by real quick because Jimbo had to work on my bike a little because the gears were getting stuck a while ago. We're down to our last climb over here, over there, and that's the last before we finally see the tower. We can't see the tower from here yet, but we're almost there. To the tower. If you guys can see, the tower is up over here. There. So had a couple of stops today because of the video and because my gears got stuck. And before we go down, so it's gonna be downhill all the way from here, so we won't be able to film any of those anymore. And yeah, so we really should bring a GoPro next time. It's much better. The sun is high. It's already 7 a.m. I guess.
7:20.
7:20. So the ride down should take not more than 30 minutes.
No, probably more. 15 minutes.
15 minutes, and then to the car. Yeah. All right. Cool. So this is the time where we get to play and have fun. The part where it makes the uphill ride surely worth it. It was about an hour to climb and now about 15 minutes to go down and then another 15 minutes to get back all the way to the car. So let's have fun. So we're done with today's ride. As you can see, the sun is up already. It is 8 a.m. And yeah, true to what you said a while ago, it's going to take 30 minutes to get back to Road Trip Cafe. So that was a good ride, a short one, but you know, not an easy one, at least for me. So the reason why we start from Road Trip, we don't start from the house, because I don't like riding so much in the highway because there are a lot of cars. As you can see this morning already, there are a lot of cars on the road already. But we're done for today, and hopefully next time we can show you our other routes as well. Bye for now.